In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to enable picture-in-picture on YouTube using your iPhone. Picture-in-picture is a valuable feature that enhances multitasking by allowing users to watch YouTube videos while simultaneously using other apps or browsing the web. To do this, first head to your phone settings. On the settings page, select on General. Select on this option of Picture-in-Picture. Make sure to enable this option on. Open up your YouTube. Let's say you want to get back to your home screen. Just swipe up to get to the home screen. You can browse or do other stuff while watching your YouTube video. That's how easy it is to enable picture-in-picture on YouTube using your iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.